Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
William Adams.
William Adams, awesome. Thank you, William.
This is 12 Resilient Sound RS15.
Okay.
D4s and 3 bass 8Ks on each. 4 on each 8K, so the machine about 2,000 watts RMS.
Okay.
I've got a 95 amp hour C-Max, dual 390 brand X's under the hood.
Okay.
And I can sit here and play all day at 15.5.
That's awesome, man. These are really like budget-friendly, small stuff.
They get a little warm, but I mean, I do play them all day too. Yesterday I walked away from it for 2 hours.
That's awesome.
I just let it play by itself.
So you said you're only putting like 200 watts on them?
No, 2,000.
2,000?
Yeah, I got 3 8Ks in the back.
Okay.
You want to see the back?
Yeah, I'd love to see the back. That's crazy. So you're saying about 2,000 per set of subs?
2,000 per sub.
Per sub, wow.
These are 8Ks, so I got 4 subs on each.
Okay, got it. Wow, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Man, subs are taking it. That's pretty crazy.
I've been impressed so far, I'm not gonna lie.
You're doing good, man.
The issue is on the meter, I've run out of sub. So it peaks and stops.
What's the SPL score you got out of it?
It does a 56, roughly 56.5.
Okay.
On the windshield seal.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Wow, that's good. Congrats, man. Appreciate it.
Fuck me, fuck you too. Don't give a twist when
You want low, high? What do you want?
How you doing, sir?
You want low or high?
Both. Lows. Let's do lows.
I got him looking like Paris Hilton's one of my teeth got a carrot in it. Man, I think my blood race. All they say is one, let's go. They don't let me in the gas in it. I'm on diamonds and diamonds, I did it for Mazda, but I never really been flashy with it. Kicking myself in the ass, I'm a tat in the face of a snake on the back, my kidneys. shoulder, snorting and tall. I got him surrounded by white women. I got him looking like parachute. Each one of my teeth got a cavity. Hey, I think my blood race. All they see is white. Let's go. Private shoulder, they snorting and tall. I got him surrounded by white women. I got him looking like parachute. Each one of my teeth got a cavity. Hey, I think my blood race. All they see is white. Let's go.
Thank you very much for the demo, man. What's your name?
William Adams.
William Adams. Awesome. Thank you, William.